Hey, day 3 of the island experience, Koh Phayan. We are cleaning another beach. It's actually a private beach where there's only one resort, but it's basically abandoned now. The season is over for them. So we're down here collecting trash on the beach, and we're separating the bottles, the cans, and the general trash, and they can actually get quite a bit of money from this. So one of the girls that's on the boat with us, a local girl, the money that we collect today, the plastic that we collect today, they're going to cash in, and that is going to fund her school. How good's that? So here's our haul from about 100 meters of the beach. All these plastic bottles, they can cash in and get some money. These nets are actually made from old discarded fishing nets, so they've found them and stitched them up. And then this is all the just general trash in there, just plastic in those sacks. And now the crew is chilling out.